think about South Carolina barbecue, what's the key ingredient?
As a rocket scientist and pitmaster, I know there is heated debate about barbecue techniques, temperature, setup, timing, and all of that. But when you mention South Carolina barbecue, you better be ready to talk sauce. Charleston, with James Beard award-winning barbecuer, Rodney Scott.
How do you define barbecue? Just to kind of start it off.
Man, whole hog barbecue period just takes me straight to pork.
Straight to pork. That's what I want to make sure people understand. Barbecue by itself is whole hog.
Now for the important debate, the sauce.
What's the key ingredient? What do you start with?
Vinegar. I mean, especially in the southeastern part of the state.
Okay, we also have debates on a few other ingredients in barbecue in South Carolina.
Mustard is another ingredient, and then you run into tomato when you get into the western part of the state.
It's one of the only places in America where you find strong regional preferences for these main sauce types.
So I'm from Clarendon County, and you're from Williamsburg. In Clarendon County, where I grew up, in Manning, Paxville area, we have this kind of sauce. When I get closer to the Williamsburg County line, sauce quickly transfer over to a vinegar pepper base.
I like vinegar sauce. Well, if they're from the PD region where I grew up, chances are they're in love with vinegar and pepper.
PD region, that's in this part of the state, named after the PD native tribe that occupied this area.
I like the history behind your sauce with that vinegar pepper base, knowing it's the oldest sauce in South Carolina as well as across the American South.